Yo guys, today I'm gonna show you a website, guys, that will pay you just answering some surveys, guys. And what I love about the web, guys, is because they pay me via PayPal, guys. The website pay me via PayPal, guys. That's what I love. But there are many methods that you can use to receive your money, guys. As you can see, take surveys, endpoints. You earn points by taking surveys, guys. You can withdraw via your PayPal, and also there's an option there that I will show you the option when you are registering on the app. As you can see here, there's PayPal, there's there's PayPal, there's a gift card. I think it's a Woolworth gift card. I'm not sure about this one, but there are many options. It's just that now I'm on a front end of the website, so let us join. I want to show you how you can join so that you can get more service each and every day. Let's click join. I'm gonna show you around, guys. I'm gonna make you understand. Please watch this video until the end. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, guys. So this app, guys, is legit. Don't worry about the legitimate. So I'm gonna use this email for the purpose of registering. So I'm gonna write my password. Oh, okay. Guys, you're gonna write your own password here. Don't write my password. You choose your email. As you can see, my password is strong. My first name is okay, let's say TMK money. That's basically me, TMK money. I'm a male, month, date of birth, I think May, but this one is not read, guys. I'm just choosing for you. So guys, make sure you choose right, guys. So now I've registered. I'm gonna verify my email. So don't forget to verify, guys. You need to go to your email. When going to your email, okay, then let me go to my email. Let's wait. Okay, I think they sent me an email. Yes, they sent me an email. I will just confirm. Okay, I'm gonna confirm manual. As you can see, you will go to your email and you will see this message on your email. So you're gonna click confirm, guys. You're gonna click confirm. Yes, as you can see, email address confirmed. Now we're good to go. We're gonna click start. So now we're gonna land on the website that we have registered. Don't forget your now we're gonna create a profile, guys. We're gonna create where do you live, province is Mpumalanga, municipality is Bushbuckridge. Remember, you're gonna use yours. Please make sure you answer well, guys. The reason why you're choosing to participate for me, I wanna make money. So wanna make money, that's cool for me, but don't put I wanna make money, just because I love making money, guys. So please be real here. Thank you for your participation. Okay, we're gonna click back again. So now we're going to, as you can see here, profile completion is 0%. So we're gonna complete all of this. So what you can do now, you can come here, just because the more you complete your profiles, the more they're going to give you surveys, guys. So please, this is so important, guys. It's too important. It's important, guys. You have to create a profile, and please answer this question well so that you will get this cash, guys. I have the following in my household. Okay, I have a TV set, microwave oven, electric stove. Make sure, guys, you answer everything that you have here. But even if you have, you can lie, but saying the truth, I think is cool, guys. So that sometimes when they ask you, because you don't know what they're going to ask you, so if you lie, you're gonna get less surveys. Please make sure you answer this well. Okay, yes, I'm not going to read everything here, guys, because I don't want it to make this video long. I am a metropolitan. How is this? No, I live in a rural area outside Gauteng. No. To you, if you're living there, you can answer yes. How many, if any, radio sets which are in working order are there in your household, excluding car radios? 2. How many cell phones are there in your household? Okay. Yes, I accept. So guys, you're gonna read if you wanna read, but I won't read. I'm a black. Never married. Yo, I didn't answer the one. Yeah. 4. Now, okay. I think, okay, let me click 2. Date of birth. This one is 2005. Me. Boy. And this one, 2008, I mean. June. This is a fake information, guys. I'm just showing you what you can do. So, but as you can see, you will copy from me, but using your own profile. You know your profile. I don't know, but I'm just showing you how you can answer this well. How much of your household glossary shopping do you yourself do? Okay, all of it, about half of it. Yeah, about half of it. I think this one is cool. Some high school. What is your current employment? Okay, I'm self-employed, guys. I'm self-employed. I don't work for someone. I'm just here online trying to make this cash. So I'll say, the industry, personal entertainment, business service. I think business service, cool. Detailed sector of activity, sales promotion, yeah, financial service. But marketing, yeah, it's basically what I do. I do marketing, guys. So if you like this video, please make sure you comment down there. Or if you like this kind of content that I'm dropping now, please make sure you comment there that you are bringing fire. I like your content, so I will know how many people like my content, guys. So do that for me. I'm gonna click submit. They say thank you. We're going back again. I think it's one. I think we only left with one. Okay, we left with this one. Let's go answer this one, guys. So, which of these alcoholic drinks have you consumed or bought in the past 3 months? Can I choose beer, alcoholic, PC? Man, I'm gonna say a smartphone, guys. So as you can see, guys, you're gonna choose yours, guys. I'm gonna click yes. I'm gonna read everything here. A dog. I know all this question because I have already registered, guys. I already registered this website. This video I wanted to show you how you can register, guys. I own. So I have already registered on this website. Okay. House, no, I think it's a laptop. I know all those questions that are saying here. Okay, how often do you go to supermarkets? 2 or 3 times a week. I think this one's good. Credit card. I already know these questions, so I don't want to make this video long. Okay, thank you. Now we're done with the profile, guys. Just comment down there and say it. We are done. As you can see, everything is 100 now, 100%. So we're gonna click somewhere here. As you can see, we have 0 points just because we don't have surveys. Now I want to show you how to withdraw. We're gonna click reward when you want to withdraw. As you can see, the method here to withdraw, maybe you can buy things when you have 100 rand on your website. Let's take you made 100 rand on this website. You need 790 points, guys. You need 790 to make that 100 rand, guys. So if you have made that one, you're gonna click here if you have it, but if you don't, you won't go to click. Now you don't have. So but if you have it, they're gonna show you an option where you can shop. As you can see, shop at South Africa's favorite online store today. 20 department with over 9 million products, distribution across South Africa, containing the largest selections to find everything you ever wanted, from books, games, electronics, beauty products and toys, DVDs, music and much more. As you can see, guys, even when you click here, you're gonna maybe land you're gonna land on take a lot when you have done 100 rand. So you're gonna choose what you wanna buy, guys. Guys, you understand? So there's other option here. You can maybe get a gift card if you have a Woolworth gift card. Okay, if you don't have, you're gonna redeem. So you're gonna get a gift card so that you can spend your cash into Woolworth, guys. I hope now I understand. So PayPal, if you have PayPal, guys, you can transfer the money to your bank account. If you have PayPal, you can transfer it. Okay, what is PayPal? PayPal is a system that can help you withdraw money okay. What you can do with a PayPal, guys. Okay, basically I want to explain well what you can do with PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, guys, you're gonna receive money from apps that want PayPal to withdraw, guys. That needs PayPal to withdraw. You're gonna use PayPal, guys. You're gonna use PayPal. So if you don't know what is PayPal, or I'm frustrating you guys, please comment down there and say that I don't know how to use a PayPal, or I don't know how to create a PayPal. I can show you, I can make a video for you so that you can know how to register PayPal and how to link your bank account on PayPal, so that if you withdraw this money into PayPal, you can cash out into your bank account, guys, your local bank account. As you can see, you need 1,200 rand to withdraw, guys. So here are the option. If you have a $5 PayPal fund, you can withdraw, guys, if you have 625 points. So as you can see, guys, now we have a profile. So now when you wanna fill out some surveys, you wanna click surveys. So as you can see here, no survey available, just because we just created our profile. We just created this website now. So you won't get surveys from now. Wait until 2 days to 3 days, we're gonna get some surveys for you to do, because now we just created. You won't get any survey when you just created. Maybe you can wait for 4 days, 5 days, so that you can get the survey. For me, guys, I created this one and I stayed for, I think it's a week, just because I was in checking, but they just sent me an email. They say that there's a survey that I need to complete, guys. So I've just completed, and everything was super cool, guys. So guys, this is the end of the video. But before we end this video, I want to show you something, guys. Come on, I want to show you something. Oh, here is the website. This website is KKBT, guys, and people are sleeping on me, and on this website, guys, I'm making some extra cash for myself, guys. I won't log in now but I wanted to show you something. Okay, guys, I don't want to make this video long, but I will make a video about KKBT today, guys, because people are sleeping on me and I'm making money on this website, guys. I'm making money, guys, even when I sleep. I will show you what I did, guys. I make money if you want to sleep. If you want to learn more about KKBT, please go to my other video on how to make money on KKBT. You will find my videos, guys, there. I have maybe I think it's 4 videos about KKBT, where I show my proof of payment, where I show I make money on KKBT. Go there, guys, and click the videos that there and watch. After watching, guys, there will be a link on my description, but I will explain on that video. So go and watch the videos when you want to learn about KKBT, how to make money. It's free, guys. It's easy. You don't need to work hard to make money on KKBT. Like, guys, please, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like to the video, guys, and hit the notification bell so that every time I drop, you get a video, guys. Thank you, guys. I love you all, guys. Thank you.